A very good day, Dr. Nurul Farhana, the lecturer of Graduate Success Attribute. I am from Group 6, so this is our group project. Then our topic is on teamwork. So our magazine initially consists 7 topics, which include the introduction and also conclusion. And the main topic include the process, the secrets, the skills, successful team, and also the leveraging technology. So I am the editor in chief. I'm Lee Woon Chong, and also known as Alex. And our managing editor is Abdurrahman. Our content director is Leong Solun. And our art direction is Adil, Ismail, and Ahmad. So there's some letter from me. So which coming together is the beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is a success, which came from the Henry Ford. So I'm starting to start our introduction on a introduction, the concept on teamwork. So the teamwork is immersed in recent times as one of the most important facilities in achieving positive, cost-effective outcome in various organizational settings. So in today's link fast forward, the importance of teamwork has emerged as a cornerstone for successful across all industry. So according to the Oxford Dictionary, the team is derived in the proto-generative tauma, which means that the action pulling. It's not until the 16th century that it's become applicable to the human and took on the sense of a group of individuals. While the word can be found in Greek, origin which means energy, while in English the word viro means something done. Finally, according to the Oxford Dictionary of English Etymology 1966, the teamwork means or English work done with a team of bees and only emerged in the 19th century. So that's all from my part. I'm proceed and give this presentation to my next member to continue. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. Today, I would like to present the topic of teamwork psychology. It includes 3 critical elements that can contribute to a successful team. Firstly, the teamwork psychology covers team composition. Team composition usually involves with diversity of team members. The advantage of cultural difference is to bring various personalities, skills, and background together to enable team growth and adaptability. Diversity can influence the success of venture. For example, university students can mix with different background of students to get a different experience for completing the group assignment. The second element is communication styles, which also play an important role in the psychology of teamwork. Effective communication can bring a positive team environment, as it involves the interaction between team members. A team that has a communication foundation can easily give their ideas. For example, we can bring calm active listening to team members and also provide some feedback when they give their ideas. The next element in the psychology of teamwork is leadership dynamics. Leadership is important in a team as it can influence how individual contributes and also collaborate. Supportive leadership will enhance individual motivation at work. For example, leaders can understand each team member's opinions and organize them into common values. There are 2 examples which are cross-functional teams and Gemba walks practiced by Toyota. Toyota ensured that organized its team under the condition of being cross-functional as different departments exist for distribution with different tasks. It is very important to ensure a diverse set of skills and perspective able to show in the team. Leadership engagement was practiced by Toyota in Gemba walks. They go to the actual working place to observe, discuss, and understand the work being done. This practice fosters direct communication between leaders and teams and promote a culture of continuous improvement. That's all from me. Thank you.
Everyone, with you Abdurrahman Akram from Group 6. So, I'll be discussing about my own title, which is The Secret of Great Teamwork. So, the often enigmatic key to excellent cooperation is the key to realizing a team's full potential. Understanding the factors that turn a collection of individuals into a cohesive and effective unit is crucial in the fast paced world of cooperation. So, we do have like four parts in our introduction, or three parts. So, starting by the journey, clarifying the fundamentals of the outstanding collaboration. It is intriguing to investigate the elusive nature of excellent partnership in the dynamic field of professional dynamics. So the deep the realization that the magic is not in predicating uniqueness, but rather in arranging a symphony of many skills, is how our journey begins. So the second one is the diversity as the engine of achievement. Taking the narrative of groups that not only value diversity but also use it to their advantage. Discover how different viewpoints may serve as a catalyst for creativity, resilience, and problem solving. For the third part is the communication techniques, the key to maintaining team cohesion. So examine how the important it is to communicate well in order to ensure the ideas flow naturally. Learn the subtleties of active listening and value of open communication to grasp how creating an atmosphere of open communication fosters understanding, trust, and friendship. While for the last part is the leadership magnificence, conducting the harmony of cooperation. So learn from experienced leaders who have honed the skill of guiding different teams toward a single objective. Discover the tenets of leadership that establish an environment that values excellence, empowerment, and ongoing development. So we do have a quote here which says is the teamwork is the secret that makes common people achieve uncommon results. So in that part we have like four titles to speak about. So the first one is the methods of creating a strong team, connecting theory of practice. So equipped with knowledge from prosperous groups in several sectors, we go from theory to practical approaches with ease. While the second part is the managing the change environment, maintaining excellent collaboration in the changing framework. So our investigation takes a forward-looking stance as the technology landscape keeps changing due to the emergence of remote work, other distributive development, and other advancement. So for the third part is the comprehensive profits, which we have 2 points in it. Team X, advancing innovation via group integrity and leadership spotlight, and extended conversation with the business executive. So for the first one, it's an in-depth case study that analyzes Team X strategies and illustrates the amazing results that can be attained when innovation, resiliency, and a common goal are combined. While for the second part is to learn directly from an accomplished leader about the difficulties and success of leading a team to success. While for the last part in the conclusion, the key to excellence cooperation in the vast orchestration of organizational success is not a set formula, but rather a dynamic, constantly evolving symphony. So, and I like to end my part in the last quote. In the symphony of collaboration, harmony arises not from absence of individuality, but from the unique contribution each member brings. The secret of great teamwork lies in embracing diversity and weaving these distinctive threads into tapestry of collective success.
Hi everyone, I am Badr Al-Din. Today I'm excited to share key points from an article about how discomfort helps us to learn, especially in design. The article suggests that pushing our limits leads to personal growth, crucial in design, where working together is very important. Now, modern designers now need a mix of thinking skills, and creativity to solve tricky problems. This article talks about how teamwork has improved the creative process, emphasizing collaboration across different areas. In education, the article talks about evaluations, saying there are just about rules, but also without motivating and helping us learn. It explains two types of assessment. The first one is want to check what we have learned, and the other gives us a feedback and help us to improve. The article also mentions that a very smart guy named Lev Vygotsky, who said that learning is better when we interact with others. So it comes under social interactions like asking questions and helping each other. It can make learning more meaningful and interesting. To show how all of this works, the article talks about the test at the University of Montreal. They tried these ideas in a design seminar and it showed promise for making learning and teamwork better. Here you can see the magazine. We have some diagrams and a model application in educational settings. And here we can finalize with the Vygotsky quotation saying that the distance between the actual development level as determined by independent problem solving and the level of potential development as determined through problem solving under other guidance, or its collaboration with more capable peers. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ismail Adel Bashir Muhammad, and now I will talk about fearless talent choices. So basically, we'll start with a quote that's said by Margaret Mead, which is never underestimate the power of a small, dedicated group of people to change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has. So basically, the business right now, the business world relies heavily on teams, with over 80% of work in mid to large organization being done in groups. So these teams, especially consisting of 4 to 9 members, sharing common goals, prioritize business and customer focus, and adapt quickly to change. In the part of the focus was hiring individual talents, but this approach also has drawbacks leading to dysfunctional teams and declining productivity. Recognizing the need to change, recognizing the need of change, Dave Alter's research suggests that improving the workplace and building organization capabilities for innovation and collaboration is more effective than solely focusing on top talents only. However, this shift doesn't mean advocating for large organizations. Large companies often face challenges like excessive bureaucracy uh, and also like other problems such as argue for more agile organization that simplify structure and process to navigate today's fast-paced business landscape. So they believe that like there is few characteristics to have a resilient organization which is rushing out to meet the future, changing before it had to, capturing more than fair share opportunities, never experiencing an unanticipated earnings shock, growing faster than rivals, having an advantage in attracting talents. So now basically, so so basically there is 3 elements of a successful team, which is accountability, collaboration, and trust. These factors are really important to build a really strong team and a really strong organization. A team is more than just a group of individuals. A team must have its own goals, identity, working relationships, and culture in order to function well. These factors are really important to make a good combination in the teamwork. Furthermore, 3 attributes present in productive teams. Trust is the cornerstone of any successful team. Trust is like a key marker and a key reason to build a successful team. Include open and honest, which include open and honesty between group members, the interests of other, appreciating contributes, maintaining promises, and owning to mistakes. It is interesting to note that in the relationship based on trust, our bodies release more oxytocin, which feeds a good cycle of trust. So, when we have the relationship based on trust, we'll have a good combination and a strong circle of trust. Also, the second element, which is cooperation, it takes more than just having a connection to be productive, to effectively build on each other efforts. A team must should be open and honest between each other, and it is essential to provide psychological safety so that team member may appreciate different viewpoints, offer equal opportunities, for involvement and feel comfortable. Feel comfortable, yeah. So the third uh, the third element, which is accountability, group work towards a common goal, which is may introduce new goods, cutting expenses, eliminating red tape, enhancing supply chains, or discovering untapped markets. Teams with high performance level hold each other and responsible for achievement at outcomes. The loyalty of coworkers to another is frequently more potent than of a supervisor. Teams that have accountability can become self-governing. Those that don't run the danger of becoming ineffective group activities. So the outcomes may be like astonishing and amazing when these elements and traits being conducted perfectly. So which is the elements again: accountability, trust, and teamwork. When it is present in the team and in the group work, it will be a very strong and a strong bond of trust and strong bond of relationship and strong bond of everything. So yeah. Also, according to the research, the more successful teams at Psycho capitalized on a unique brilliance of each member, unleash the team collective brilliance, and do so on in a setting safety and trust. So also there is like another quote which is called by Patrick Lencioni. If I spelled it correctly, just tell me. I'm trying to pronounce it to say the name correctly. So not finance, not strategy, not technology. It is the teamwork that remains ultimate competitive advantage, both because it's so powerful and rare. Like teamwork is like the most important thing when you are working in an organization because it's so powerful and so rare in so rare in big companies. So we need to focus more about teamwork, also finding talents, but mainly focus and on talents and make them work in a team and make the connection between the team good. So these elements will make a very good organization, like in any organization, in any even in group work and simple in universities and group work and entertaining things. Group work is like the main important thing to build any successful relationship, to build a successful organization, to build a good communication between each other and between the social overall. So yeah, that's all I have. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, this is Ahmed Al-Munajjid from Group 6. I would like to share with you how can we use technology to enhance teamwork. The landscape of team collaboration has been significantly enhanced by technology tools like Slack for communication, Trello for project management, and Zoom for virtual meetings. In today's competitive business environment, effective teamwork is essential to success. In this article, I would love to share with you 6 advantages of technology that help us to improve team performance. The first one is effective communication. Today's uh, technology offers a range of communications tools that facilitate seamless team collaboration and connection. The second point is video conferencing and online meetings. Technology has become indispensable for holding virtual meetings and video conferences as remote work has increased. 3. Document collaboration and centralized files. Teams may collaborate on projects and share information more easily when they have access to a variety of technology tools for centralized file storage and document collaboration. For strength, data security and safety. Well, ensuring the security and the privacy of sensitive data is crucial when teams interact and exchange information over the internet. 5. Fast editing and instantaneous collaboration. Teams can now work together in real time thanks to technology, which facilitate rapid document editing and collaboration. 6. Better workflows and project management. Teams can manage their projects and workflows more effectively with the help of technologies, which provide a variety of tools and platforms, Asana, Trello, and others. To sum up, technology is a crucial component in maximizing teamwork because it offers platforms and tools that promote effective communication, instantaneous teamwork, and streamlined workflows. Businesses can overcome obstacles and raise their chance of reaching objectives by embracing technology and establishing cultures that values cooperations. Thank you.
So now to the end of our magazine, where is the conclusion? So I'm going to present on the conclusion where the teamwork skill on the college student. Since the early 1990s, of the majority of UK higher education institutions have begun to adopt a more professional or strategic approach to institutional management. In the realm of higher education, similar to other industries, the top team consists of individuals with diverse expertise, knowledge, and interests. In higher education, behavioral issues are not always addressed directly to a team context. They may be either limited to the arena for others to challenge the individual indirectly or rather than politically at the margin. A good teamwork creates synergy, where the combined effect of the team is greater than the sum of the individual effort. So there are some few main points that need to be highlighted in the conclusion. The first is committing to the development of teamwork, where the faculty member need to commit to the development of teamwork skill by going out of their way to teach students what it means to be an effective teammate. So the second point in the conclusion is the making assignment that elite teamwork. Which to assess student teamwork assignment that elite teamwork behavior must be created. The third is the focusing on the process, where the allocation of a group task to students followed by the rating of the ultimate result. And the last is providing meaningful feedback, where the effective learning takes place where students have an opportunity to practice and receive feedback and then try again. In the picture, you can see that there are two pictures, where the first is a 10-step concept of a teamwork, the collaboration, goal, vision, and etc. is a part of the form of successful teamwork. The next is a startup of a teamwork, where the idea brainstorm startup and implement idea to be a successful teamwork. So that's from all the content in our magazine teamwork. I would like to thanks to everybody in the group for making this magazine successful, and also thanks a lot to our beloved lecturer Dr. Nurfana. And that's all from our magazine. Thank you.